A warm greeting. Today is Saturday, October 19, 2024. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia. I am recording this special video due to the impressive strengthening of Tropical Storm Oscar, which has now been confirmed as a Category 1 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 80 miles per hour. As a result, the National Hurricane Center has issued a special bulletin, and now the Turks and Caicos Islands and the southern Bahamas are under a hurricane warning. A hurricane watch has also been issued for parts of eastern and northeastern Cuba, including the provinces of Guantanamo, Holguin, and Las Tunas. Particularly concerning is the island of Cockburn Town, as it appears the center of circulation will soon pass over it with hurricane-force winds. Therefore, it is crucial that if you live in the Bahamas, the Turks and Caicos Islands, or eastern Cuba, you share this video so everyone can begin their preparations immediately. Here, we can see the mission of the Hurricane Hunter plane, which is currently investigating Hurricane Oscar. It has passed through the center twice, confirming that the barometric pressure continues to drop, which means it is undergoing rapid strengthening. This is also evident in the infrared satellite animation, where we can see how Hurricane Oscar is generating strong thunderstorms and convection towers around the center of circulation. This is associated with rapid strengthening processes, and it is impressive that no global model had predicted this system would become a hurricane. We are currently witnessing a rapid intensification process, which is a clear example of the importance of the data collected by the Hurricane Hunter plane. This data gives a clear idea of the intensity of these systems, especially when dealing with such small circulations, as I mentioned this morning. These circulations can fluctuate in intensity quite quickly, and in this case, it has strengthened impressively. Additionally, global models struggle to assimilate such small circulations. So, this is a rather unusual situation that we are witnessing near the Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos Islands. Here is the new forecast from the National Hurricane Center, which projects that Hurricane Oscar will continue strengthening over the next 48 hours, with winds expected to increase to 85 miles per hour, 135 kilometers per hour, as it crosses over the southern Bahamas and approaches eastern Cuba. There is still uncertainty about whether it will make landfall in Cuba or take a more northeasterly turn. However, it is important that people in the southern Bahamas and eastern Cuba prepare for the impact of a hurricane. For the Turks and Caicos Islands, this system will be moving through during the afternoon and evening of today, while for the southern Bahamas, it is expected to arrive in the early hours of Sunday. For Cuba, it is projected to pass its closest point or over the eastern part of the island during the night on Sunday for a period of 24 hours. Then, during the afternoon hours on Monday, it will begin to turn north-northeast, potentially affecting some islands in the southern Bahamas once again. In the 2 p.m. bulletin, a hurricane warning was issued covering the Turks and Caicos Islands and the southern islands of the Bahamas, which are marked in red in this image. However, note that the circulation is extremely small, but it appears to be directly affecting the Cockburn Town region this afternoon. Additionally, there is a tropical storm warning for northeastern Cuba and a hurricane watch in pink. Well, that's all for this special video. I will record a new video tonight to update the forecast for the impressive Hurricane Oscar. Before I go, I wanted to emphasize the importance of spreading the word about this event to anyone you know in Cuba, as the country is currently experiencing issues with electrical service, and it's very likely that communications will be down during the day today. Lastly, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications when I post new videos. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.